Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and any of the other Galaxy devices that utilize the app that Samsung uses, the Gallery app. And what I want to do is I want to show you how to get a better video playback experience than what comes with the new stock player. So what do I mean by that? Here's a video, and if you notice at the bottom, it's difficult to move it backwards and forwards. To scrub it. That's called, I can't even get it right now with my finger here. It's not, there we go. I'm going to show you how to put the old app back. And it's not really the old one, I shouldn't say, but a better app to put back than having this one. Okay, and it requires a little bit of kind of hacking, for want of a better word, the app, but it's real easy to do. So let me go ahead and show you how we do this. So first off, again, we're in the the Gallery app, and we want to go to this button right here, your cogged wheel, and scroll to the very bottom and go to About Gallery, and we're going to tap multiple times the number. Okay, and then at the bottom, Gallery Labs is enabled. I tapped that, I can't even remember how many times, but tap it until you get that message at the bottom. Okay, so now we go back and you'll see a new option here, Gallery Labs. Okay, and it's saying it's for internal testing only and blah blah blah, but that's how we get to this. So go to Galaxy Labs, and then we want to scroll down. Okay, remember this. We want to scroll down to video player mode on film strip. Okay, we don't want it to default. We want to set it to legacy video seek bar. Okay, so we go okay. Now when we go back, so I had to stop the video here. I made a little bit of an error. So everything I've went through up to this point in time is correct, with the exception you have to close the Gallery app and then reopen it. And I missed that step and couldn't figure out why it wasn't working, and ended up taking a whole day figuring this out. So anyway, we're back at it. So let's go into the Gallery now, because let me make sure that we close the Gallery. So now we're going to open the Gallery, and we're going to find a video that we have. And now if you look at the bottom, there's our new playback. And as you can see, this is much better than that little tiny thing that we had that I demonstrated in the beginning. This is the old school kind that you can take it and scrub real easy, and you can go to the beginning and the end. And this is a pen video I'm going to be making here next and later, but as you can see, it's much simpler. It's a much easier way. I'm not sure why they did it the way they have it now, but it's all personal preference as well. I prefer it this way. Again, because it's easy, you can scrub, you can move backwards and forwards with your handle a lot easier than you can with the other way. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my video. And until next time, I'm out.